The first thing that I normally do when I wake up is I go brush my teeth. I was using a bamboo toothbrush with charcoal bristles, but then I just hopped on the bandwagon. I got an Oral B Clic toothbrush. The heads are replaceable. It is metal. It has an ergonomic handle and a magnetic holder. So I don't know, it's so cool because the unboxing was kind of like opening an Apple Watch or an Apple product. Just got it from the supermarket for $15, and it only comes with one brush head to start, and then you can buy the packs of 2 brush heads, which I believe are around $10 each. So really, in the end, you're saving money and saving the environment by not buying plastic toothbrushes. It's a little heavier. The bristles are a lot better than the bamboo toothbrush that I was using, so now I feel like my teeth are getting extra clean. So now I normally take my vitamins and and then I start the coffee pot. We just got this new Keurig. We were just using the pods, but now we pretty much only use the other side, like the pot side. And yeah, I know I look like I'm kind of confused as to what's going on because this is like kind of new for me too. All right, and then I start my oatmeal. I have honestly been eating oatmeal pretty much every day for breakfast since July, August, when I started my little I wouldn't say weight loss, but like my toning and fat loss journey. So I normally do 1 cup of oats in 1 3/4 cup of almond milk. Give that a stir, bring it to a boil. And then I turn it to medium heat. And then when it's finally done, I stir it a little bit more. I turn the heat off and I get my frozen blueberries, which is my favorite part of breakfast. I don't add any sugar. I don't add any extra stuff to my oatmeal anymore. I used to do that, but apparently peanut butter is super fatty. I mean, I knew that, but I would add peanut butter and honey or like maple syrup, and it would just be adding so much extra sugar that I didn't need. Like the oatmeal and the almond milk and the blueberries give it enough flavor, and then I just add some cinnamon to give it a little extra spice, and it's delicious. And so then I usually pour Tyler's cup of coffee first. He likes his in like a portable mug while he's at work, even though he's working in the living room. I guess it looks a little more professional. And then this one's mine. And we just switched to this new creamer called Planet Oat, and it's honestly really delicious. I love oat milk, to be honest. I don't really use oat milk every day, but for this creamer, it's definitely a nice treat. Tyler likes his creamer with a side of coffee. All right, and then that's my breakfast that I pretty much eat every morning. There's Tyler's at his desk. At this point in my day, I'll usually go pick out what I want to wear. Mostly I've been staying in. We've been pretty much in a bubble. Also, I have an injury right now, so I can't really go anywhere. So it's been sweats and athleisure for the time being. So I'll light a candle and get the day started. These are some of the books that I have with me right now. I'm reading Elaine Wells-Roth's More Than Enough. I highly recommend it. That is my planner. Next, I'll either get on my computer, plan out the week, depending on what day it is, maybe read a little, And this planner is from Rifle Paper Company. I absolutely am a fan. I was using Bando's planners, but honestly, this one feels a little bit more grown up to me, and but it still has the stickers that I love so much. It might not get that much action this year, but it will sure as heck get more action than my 2020 planner after March. So, too soon, maybe. Oh, hi Tyler. So next I will start to prepare my lunch, and I'm just making tuna salad. So I'm going to chop up the celery. Gotta get them a little fine because they're going in the tuna. And then chop up a little bit of shallot. I like shallots in my tuna and salad. My tuna salad and my regular salad. It just gives it an extra bite of flavor. And then a little lemon juice. I'm kind of mimicking the Whole Foods lemon and dill tuna salad. And y'all see me get those seeds in there. I had to take them out. I try also not to use that much mayo because I am very lactose sensitive. And those are the spices that I use. So I'll also do a spinach salad. And I chopped up a little bit of tomato. And I'm trying this new raspberry vinaigrette. It's honestly super delicious. And there you have it. That is pretty much my morning routine for the majority of quarantine. So I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, comment, follow me on all the platforms, and I'll see you guys next video. And thank you all so much for watching.